I thank you, Madam Chairperson. We are today debating the Nation Building Tax Amendment Bill, Economic Services Charges Amendment Bill, Ports and Airports Development Levy Amendment Bill, and 5 resolutions under the Appropriation Act. Madam Chairperson, all these amendments are being sought by the government with the primary intention of managing the economy in a very difficult situation, no doubt. And in that regard, I think the government must be supported, particularly with the background of the COVID-19 virus, particularly over the last 2 days becoming rather virulent. But when you make decisions with regard to taxes, to increase or reduce taxes when it comes to managing the economy, one of the most important indices for that development is health. And health is a sector that under no circumstances can be compromised, particularly when you consider today's circumstances. So it is in that respect, Madam Chairperson, that I wish to flag a very specific issue concerning the Jaffna district, because as you know, the situation in the north because of the war has been such that cancer patients have been nationally far greater in the northern province because of the exposure to various chemicals out of the war and various other circumstances. So it is in that respect that I wish to draw this House's attention to the Tellipale Base Hospital that belongs to the Northern Provincial Health Ministry, Northern Provincial Council. Now that hospital, Madam Chairperson, had a special cancer unit that was built somewhere in the 70s or 80s. In fact, my family was personally involved in funding the cancer unit. We not only built the structure for the unit, but we also funded the cobalt unit for that cancer unit. And eventually there is also a linear accelerator unit that has been provided to the Tellipale Base Hospital. Now this hospital, Madam Chairperson, is crucial considering the war situation, considering the high rates of cancer that occur in the north, is fundamental for the well-being of the people in that area. And it's not only Jaffna, but also not only the northern province, but even other provinces that find it easier to come to Tellipale than maybe go to Maharagama or Colombo, or for that matter even Anuradhapura. So under these circumstances there is a very unfortunate situation that is arising, Madam Chairperson, where the government in 2018 approved special cadre for the cancer unit and the Tellipale Base Hospital, considering the fact that unlike in other provincial council hospitals that have a cancer unit, that there is this cobalt unit and a linear accelerating unit, they created a special cadre. This was done in 2018, but despite that, despite the government in 2018 creating that special cadre, sorry? No, I have 5 minutes, madam.
Yeah, it's almost over.
I'm winding up. Despite that, the cadre for the provincial council has not been filled. Instead, what has been happening is that the cadre is appointed to the Jaffna Teaching Hospital that comes under the central ministry, and then those cadres are physically sent to the Jaffna Tellipale cancer unit and asked to function. And as a result, what has happened over the years is that there is a conflict between those who come under the central government and the provincial administration. There are strikes that are going on, and the patients are the ones, particularly under these very horrible circumstances of the COVID-19, where cancer patients are the most vulnerable. Their treatment is being terribly neglected. Now the central government is trying, in the guise of lack of funding and lack of resources, to take over the cardiac unit and the psychiatric unit in the Tellipalaya hospital separately, and leaving the base hospital in the compound to function under the provincial council. Those are very, very heavily opposed by the people, Madam Chairperson. It is completely unrealistic to take only the cancer unit and the psychiatric unit out of the base hospital and bring it under the centre. There will be an administrative chaos that is created. Instead, I ask this government, considering the COVID situation, considering the fact that cancer patients are the most vulnerable, and that the north, the cancer patients are most vulnerable, that sufficient funding is made
Please
available to
wind
the
up.
provincial council so that it can function properly. Thank you.